Hey there! Tired of wasting hours on bookkeeping and sorting through messy spreadsheets? Smart Clerk is here to simplify your finances with powerful AI automation. This tool turns your bank and credit card statements into clean, organized, accountant-ready reports in minutes. It's fast, accurate, and built to eliminate the stress of manual data entry. Perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and accountants, Smart Clerk helps you generate profit and loss statements, track vendors, and categorize transactions without lifting a finger. With a one-time lifetime deal on AppSumo, now's the time to upgrade your bookkeeping game and stay ahead of your business finances. What is Smart Clerk? Smart Clerk is an AI-powered bookkeeping tool that simplifies financial management by turning your bank and credit card statements into clean, organized reports. Designed for small businesses, accountants, and solopreneurs, it automatically logs, categorizes, and reconciles every transaction. You can generate profit and loss statements, track vendor spending, and export detailed financial reports to Excel, all in just a few clicks. With features like auto-categorization, custom rules, and bank reconciliation, Smart Clerk saves time and reduces manual errors. It's a complete accounting solution that helps keep your finances accurate, streamlined, and ready for tax season without the hassle of traditional bookkeeping. Lock in your Smart Clerk lifetime deal before it's gone. Alright, let's talk money, because that's kind of the whole point, right? The regular pricing for software like this can run into the hundreds every year. But thanks to AppSumo, you can grab lifetime access starting at just $59. Yep, a one-time payment and it's yours forever. And yes, there are 3 license tiers you can choose from based on your business needs. Let's check them out. License Tier 1, one-time payment of $59. Access for up to 2 bank accounts, process up to 75 invoices per month, perfect for solopreneurs or tiny teams. License Tier 2, one-time payment of $119. Supports 6 bank accounts, handles 300 invoices/month, access to learning algorithm and more, great for small but growing businesses. License Tier 3, one-time payment of $229. Supports 15 bank accounts, handles 1,500 invoices/month, manage multiple companies, best for pros or accounting agencies. Limited time pricing, and remember, AppSumo offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months and see if it's right for you. For most important features that make Smart Clerk special. Bank statement processing. Upload your PDF bank and credit card statements, and Smart Clerk instantly reads and logs every transaction. Automatic categorization. The AI isn't just smart, it's really smart. It auto-categorizes all your transactions for you. Profit and loss reports. View monthly spending by vendor or category, no spreadsheets, no sweat. Vendor management. Smart Clerk recognizes vendors and groups them automatically, even if they show up under weird names. People who can benefit from Smart Clerk. Freelancers, accountants, small business owners, solopreneurs, e-commerce store owners, coaches and consultants, agencies or side hustlers. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Want a bonus? You're going to love this part. How to grab this deal? Go to the Smart Clerk lifetime deal page on AppSumo. Enter your email address in a little pop-up bar. Check your inbox for your exclusive 10% discount. Use that discount when checking out. Smile because you just got Smart Clerk for even cheaper. Simple, smart, sweet. Now, 89% discount is available. So, buy now. Reviews that Smart Clerk lifetime deal on AppSumo gets. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Alright, folks, your bank statements aren't going to organize themselves. If you're ready to take control of your business finances and finally ditch the chaos, Smart Clerk is your solution. Check out the description below, explore the features, and grab that Smart Clerk lifetime deal before it disappears. Enjoyed the review? Help us keep them coming by liking, sharing, and joining the squad with a quick subscribe.